prepping my veggies, some of the things that I want to get out of the way. Compost. Lovely looking, right? Out for you. Okay. Another pair right here?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so, tournay, right? 2 inches. Use the bottom part, right, for your tournays. The top part for your knife cuts. Alright. What are these?
Money cuts.
So, just get set aside, right? For my knife skills. There's my carrots. So it's like an essence, right? And use that, just in essence, just steep them like you would tea, and then reduce that juice down, and use that as... Chef Miller found a way to use the juice from marinated artichoke. Right there in a glass. Garlic in my mushroom soup. Right? A little end piece. Make a note. You want to get some chopped shallots somewhere, right? For your pan sauce. And you can either strain those chopped shallots out or not, depending on how you want to serve it. Make sure your hands are dry and clean, right, when you're going into gloves. There's nothing worse than trying to get gloves on when you have wet hands. It cost me 10 minutes on the competition once, just trying to do that. Not understanding the principles, because I told you how I feel about stuff. So, clear everything off. Don't leave your carrots here when you're going to the chicken fab or anything like that, right? Make sure you're always conscientious of that cross-contamination. Eight pieces, right? Airline. Okay, so the next thing is, I always make sure my right hand is dry. And my chicken, remember we talked about that too. Dry that chicken off. So it's not slippery. If you want a review on this, that's fine, but please go to that video that we did, right? Little different, I know. More advanced. You're all going to get there. Remember what we said, process the chicken wings while the breasts are still on the carcass, right? That way that breast isn't flip-flopping around on the cutting board and getting all mangled. Make sure this is nice and clean. All the way around. Get our hands in here. Even dry it off if you have to, right? And crack the pot. Keep that right there for a second. Okay. Cleanup I'll do once I've taken it off. Same thing on the other side. I'll throw my 7-piece. Okay. Push the skin up, right? Just like we said. One of the things I missed was to take the fat out. Make sure you take the fat out in that time period. Feel where the keel bone is and just go right on the keel bone. This wishbone was already broken, so I'm going straight down.